The best camping mattresses for comfort. When it comes to outdoor adventures, nothing beats the serenity of sleeping under the stars. But if you've ever tried to catch some shut-eye on uneven terrain or rocky ground, you know that a good night's sleep can be elusive. That's where camping mattresses come in. These saviors of slumber offer much-needed cushioning and support for weary campers. In this video, we will explore the best camping mattresses available, designed specifically to provide ultimate comfort during your wilderness excursions. So get ready to upgrade your outdoor snooze game and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated amidst nature's beauty. Number 1. Best Foldable. Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress with Washable Cover Queen. The Milliard Tri-Folding Mattress is a 4-inch thick memory foam mattress with therapeutic properties. It is plush, offers a comfortable sleeping area, and does not lose its form. You can unfold it on any surface to sleep comfortably. When folded, the dimensions are 58 by 26 and 18 inches, and when flat, the dimensions are 78 by 58 and 6 inches. Color: white and gray. Fill material: memory foam. Item weight: 2.99 pounds. Product dimensions: 78 by 58 and 6 inches. What we like: Certipur US certified premium memory foam. Ultra soft cover made from bamboo with an anti-slip bottom. Durable, machine washable cover. Folds neatly for convenient storage. Well ventilated and breathable. Available in full, queen, and twin bed sizes. Weighs 42 pounds. What we don't like: some may find it slightly big, maybe firmer than expected. Number 2. Best Portable. Lost Horizon Airsoft 4.5-inch Self-Inflating Sleeping Pad. Lost Horizon's Airsoft camping mattress has a thickness of 4.5 inches and is made of high-quality foam, providing premium comfort to its users. The mattress also has a two-way air valve design that enables one to inflate the bed to a desired width. Moreover, the insulated camping pad does not bounce or make a noise when one turns over, making it a suitable choice for outdoor use. Item weight: 16 pounds. Material: foam. Product dimensions: 80 by 52 and 4.5 inches. Color: brown. What we like: skin-friendly fabric, can sustain weights up to 440 pounds, includes a portable travel bag, has a waterproof bottom, provides enhanced back support, available in multiple sizes. What we don't like: may be difficult to deflate, might sag a little. Number 3. Best with non-slip bottom. Hazli Matrix Cell Memory Foam Camping Mattress Pad. Hazli S Matrix Cell Mattress Pad has a high-density memory foam filling, making it a suitable option when on the go. It also features a non-slip bottom that keeps the mattress in place on uneven surfaces and slippery tiles. The camping bedroll comes enclosed in a soft, breathable, and waterproof cover that is machine wash friendly. Item weight: 350 grams. Color: blue. Material: memory foam. Item dimensions: L into W into H and 62 by 26 and 3 inches. What we like: built-in packing straps and buckles. Has a storage pocket. Certipur US certified. Available in multiple sizes. Includes a carrying bag. What we don't like: may not offer good neck support, may not be crease resistant. Number 4. Best Ergonomically Designed. Cushy Form Tri-Fold Folding Mattress with Storage and Carry Case. It is a spacious folding foam mattress that can accommodate adults and kids. This product by Cushy is ergonomically built to support the head and align the spine when sleeping. The smartly designed tri-fold mattress is made to promote restful sleep and restore your energy for the next morning. This compact camping mattress measures 75 by 31 and 4 inches. Color: green-white. Fill material: high-density foam. Item weight: 14.42 pounds. Product dimensions: 75 by 31 and 4 inches. What we like: high density, super firm foam material, folds and unfolds without any hassles, can be made into a comfortable seat or makeshift sofa. Queen size mattress, ultra soft cover with a zipper for easy removal, machine washable cover, comes with a storage case to keep it clean and dust free. What we don't like: some may find it small, maybe thinner than expected. Number 5. Best Double Layered. Modway 4-inch Relax Tri-Fold Mattress. Enjoy that extra comfort with the Modway Relax Tri-Fold Mattress, which is a bed by night and a cushion chair by day when propped up against the wall. It is double layered, has a soft cover, and can be placed in the guest room or dorm room, or be used as a camping or hiking sleeping mat. On folding, it measures 25 by 25 and 12 inches, and when flat, It is 25 by 75 and 4 inches. Color. Weight. Product dimensions. 75 by 25 and 4 inches. Fill material. Plastic. What we like. A 0.5-inch top memory foam layer and a 3.5-inch responsive base foam layer. Ultra soft removable cover with non-slip bottom. Certipur US certified memory foam. Free of mercury, formaldehyde, flame retardants, ozone depleters, and other heavy metals. Vacuum packed and foldable to fit into a portable case. What we don't like. May lose its shape with repeated use. May be firmer than expected. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.